Welcome back to our channel, your one-stop destination for wild wonders and exotic animals. Today, we're diving into one of the richest and most mysterious ecosystems on Earth, the rainforest. These lush landscapes cover just 6% of the Earth's surface, but are home to more than half of all known animal species. Incredible, right? In this video, we'll introduce you to 100 amazing rainforest animals, from the treetops to the forest floor. You'll meet predators, pollinators, primates, and many more creatures you've never heard of before. So get ready for a virtual jungle journey full of life, color, and wild wonders. Let's get started. The lion is the king of the forest. Its roar shakes nature. A symbol of strength, courage, and leadership, this wild animal attracts everyone's attention with its majestic appearance and proud gait. The tiger is a silent hunter whose eyes glow with mystery. Its graceful body and regal demeanor captivate anyone. This king of the forest is a unique symbol of power, speed, and pride. Elephants touch the heart with their huge bodies, long trunks, and compassionate eyes. Intelligent, memory-savvy, and friendly, these animals are a unique wonder of nature. The giraffe, with its long neck and beautifully spotted body, roams the African wilderness in a regal manner. With its gentle eyes and calm nature, this animal is a unique ornament of nature. Zebras, with their black and white striped bodies, are a moving work of nature. Sociable, agile, and alert, these animals spread a wave of immense beauty across the desert. The bear, with its heavy body and powerful paws, is a fearless lord. Sometimes calm, sometimes rough, this wild animal is a living embodiment of strength and courage. The wolf breaks the silence of the night with its sharp eyes and piercing cries. This gregarious, intelligent, and determined hunter is a symbol of courage and togetherness. The fox is a mysterious character of nature with its sharp intelligence and cunning. With its cunning eyes, soft fur, and silent gait, it is like a silent hunting poet. The deer, with its gentle eyes, simple mind, and light feet, roams the forest. With its calm nature and unique beauty, it is a perfect, peaceful symbol of nature. The kangaroo, which hops swiftly across the Australian desert on its powerful hind legs, symbolizes both compassion and strength, carrying its young in its mother's womb. The koala captivates with its soft fur, round face, and calm gaze. Walking slowly through the eucalyptus trees, this animal is a symbol of silent love and tranquility. The panda captivates with its black and white fur and playful demeanor. This sweet creature, sleeping while eating bamboo, is a living embodiment of peace, tenderness, and love. The rhinoceros, with its thick skin and large horns, symbolizes strength and determination. Although silent in nature, it is fearless, like an ancient warrior walking through the savannah. The hippopotamus is the king of the calm waters, with amazing speed and strength hidden in its massive body. This submerged animal is a silent guardian of the natural balance. The cheetah is the fastest land animal in the world, outrunning the wind in a flash. Its spotted body, sharp eyesight, and silent hunting instinct are a symbol of perfect speed and bravery. The leopard, with its beautiful spots and silent movements, is the mysterious hunter of the forest. Its tree-climbing skills and keen eyesight make it a living embodiment of courage and shadow. The gorilla is awe-inspiring with its massive body, calm eyes, and human-like demeanor. Family-loving, intelligent, and strong, this animal is a quiet yet proud leader of nature. The chimpanzee captivates with its playful mind, intelligent eyes, and human-like behavior. It is a living wonder of nature, with its ability to learn, emotions, and sense of humor. The orangutan captivates with its reddish fur, long arms, and calm gaze. This tree-dwelling, wise creature symbolizes intelligence, solitude, and a deep connection to nature.
The sloth is a slow-moving, amazing creature. Its favorite way of life hanging from trees. Calm, patient, and silent, this creature is a reflection of the quiet beauty and steadfastness of nature.
With their sharp horns, slim bodies, and agile runs, the antelope brings life to deserts and grasslands. This shy animal is a wonderful blend of alertness, speed, and beauty.
The camel is the ship of the desert. Its humps hold a story of endurance. This steadfast animal in difficult environments is a living symbol of patience, the power to survive, and silent loyalty.
The horse, with its powerful legs, flowing mane, and piercing gaze, is a symbol of speed and glory. Faithful, brave, and independent, this animal has been a friend and warrior of man for centuries. The donkey is a silent hero with its simplicity, patience, and hard work. Even when neglected, it continues to work tirelessly, a reflection of tolerance and responsibility. A strong and hardy animal, born from the union of a horse and a donkey, the mule is a symbol of patience, endurance, and hard work, a reliable and silent companion on mountain trails. The cow touches the heart with its calm gaze and compassionate behavior. This milk-giving animal is not just a pet, but an integral part of rural life and a symbol of purity. Goats, with their lively nature, erect horns, and fearless running, bring life to the environment. This milk and meat-producing animal is a useful companion in rural life. Sheep exude peace with their soft, cottony fur, calm eyes, and gregarious nature. Innocent and affectionate, these animals are a quiet symbol of utility and beauty in a predominantly agricultural life. The pig demonstrates intelligence through its strong body and digging in the ground. It is a living example of clever, perceptive, and able to survive in the harsh environment of life. Dogs are man's best friend, a symbol of loyalty and unconditional love. Their lively eyes, wagging tails, and unwavering loyalty win hearts, bringing happiness and security to life. Cats, with their soft fur, mysterious eyes, and gentle footsteps, bring peace to the home. Independent, magical, and lovable, these animals are silent symbols of love and beauty. Rabbits win hearts with their soft fur, long ears, and graceful hopping. Shy, innocent, and affectionate, these animals are a sweet reflection of nature's tenderness and love. The mouse, though small, is quite intelligent and agile. It survives thanks to its keen hearing and its ability to hide in burrows, a silent artist of survival techniques in a subdued presence. Rat-like in appearance, but large and agile, the rat is a hard-working inhabitant of cities and villages. With its ability to survive, smartness, and adaptability, it is a skilled warrior in the realities of life. The squirrel spreads joy with its bushy tail, sharp eyes, and lively running. This animal, jumping from tree to tree, symbolizes agility, enthusiasm, and collectivity. Bats are mysterious nocturnal creatures that fly through the darkness on their wings. These creatures, which navigate by sound rather than sight, are a living example of the wonder and adaptability of nature. The otter is a graceful, playful aquatic animal with joy and charm hidden in every behavior. Its thick fur-covered body, swift swimming in the water, and playing with stones are its daily habits. Otters live in groups on rivers or shores, and their young grow up in the love of their mothers. The otter is not just an animal, it is the smiling face of nature, a symbol of children's love and a momentary touch of peace in our minds. It means vitality and pure joy. Beavers are skilled engineers of nature who build dams and rivers and reservoirs with their own hands and create safe habitats. They cut trees with their sharp teeth and build wonderful structures with clay and branches.
The life of beavers is unique not only in construction, but also in family and hard work. The collective efforts of beavers and groups create a unique nature culture. Beavers mean creativity, dedication, and an amazing living art that blends with nature.
The raccoon exudes a sense of mystery with its mask-like face, clever eyes, and dexterous hands. This nocturnal creature is a living symbol of patience and curiosity. Hedgehogs are small, cute mammals with thick spines covering their bodies. They are active at night, curling their spines to protect themselves. Although peaceful, they are curious by nature and love to roam around gardens and eat small insects.
Armadillos are small to medium-sized mammals with hard, lid-like, open-ended spines. They have a unique ability to curl up and sleep in a tight circle, which helps them avoid predators. These strange but sweet creatures live in the forests and deserts of Latin America, and this special body armor gives them a unique form of protection from nature.
Meerkats are small, agile, and highly social animals that live in the deserts of Africa. They live in groups and protect themselves from predators by alerting each other. Meerkats stand and watch their surroundings. Their keen eyesight and quick reactions are key to their safety. These small but brave animals fascinate visitors with their funny habits and group lifestyle. Hyenas are bold and powerful carnivores that inhabit the plains and savannas of Africa. Their vocalizations are like laughs, which is part of their social communication. Hyenas are the main predators of the pack and have a great eating capacity. They are smart, tolerant, and occupy a special place in the forest kingdom, which arouses fear and curiosity in the minds of viewers.
The jackal is an intelligent, sharp-eyed, and agile predator that roams the forests of Africa and Asia. It moves alone or in pairs and hunts for prey in the silence of the night. Its fox-like appearance, sharp ears, and fast movements make the jackal a mysterious and cunning wild animal. Moose are one of the largest deer mammals in the world, with their large, broad antlers adding to their majestic appearance in spring. They roam the cool forests and wetlands of the northern hemisphere, eating leaves, aquatic plants, and bark, and are calm and excellent swimmers.
Bison are large, powerful herbivores with muscular shoulders and thick brown fur that make them imposing. Roaming the American prairies, these animals have long been a symbol of strength, endurance, and natural grandeur. Bison moving in groups are a visible reflection of wild pride. Bison are large, powerful herbivores with muscular shoulders and thick brown fur that make them imposing. Roaming the American prairies, these animals have long been a symbol of strength, endurance, and natural grandeur. Bison moving in groups are a visible reflection of wild pride. Elk is a majestic and powerful deer whose long antlers and sturdy build make it a majestic soldier of nature. They roam the forests of North America and Asia in groups, grazing in summer and taking refuge in deep forests in winter. The call of the elk spreads through the mountain forests like nature's own music.
Llamas are calm, friendly, and hard-working domestic animals that have been a companion to humans for centuries in the Andes Mountains of South America. They are skilled at carrying loads, and their thick, soft fur provides warmth in the cold mountain climate. With their sweet appearance and calm nature, the llama is a beloved part of mountain culture.
Alpaca is a beautiful, gentle, and furry animal that lives in the highlands of South America. Their soft, cotton-like wool is used to make expensive fabrics. Alpacas are naturally calm, gregarious, and easily get along with people. Their sweet face and innocent demeanor make them a beloved mountain companion.
Badger is a small but brave and tenacious mammal with amazing digging skills. They live in burrows and hunt at night. Their thick body, black and white face, and determination make the badger a fearless forest dweller, always ready to defend its home and safety. Porcupine is a unique animal with a harmless nature, but skilled in self-defense, whose body is covered with thousands of sharp spines. When a predator approaches, it raises these spines to give a warning signal. It is their nature to climb trees, eat leaves, and roam alone. Porcupine is a silent survivor of nature, mysterious and attractive.
A possum is a nocturnal, agile, and adaptable mammal, mainly found in the forests and suburbs of America. Their special trick is to play dead in times of danger. Their long tail, sharp teeth, and tree-climbing skills make the opossum a silent survivor. Pangolin is the only mammal in the world whose body is covered in hard scales, just like a living forest seal. This animal, which lives by eating ants and wasps, rolls itself up and covers itself with scales when in danger. Nocturnal, shy and silent, pangolin is a mysterious protective shield of nature. Whales are the majestic and peaceful kings of the ocean, the largest mammals on Earth. They swim through the ocean with their massive bodies, and communicate with each other by singing. Every movement of a whale is like a vast, peaceful dance, in tune with the ocean's rhythm. Dolphins are intelligent, friendly, and lively marine mammals that easily make friends with humans. Their smiling faces, group swimming, and sharp vocal communication captivate viewers. Skilled swimmers, athletic, and compassionate, dolphins are like living messengers of the ocean. Seals are playful, docile, and excellent swimmers. They rest on the beach and hunt fish at high speed in the water. Their round bodies, large eyes, and playful behavior make seals a favorite of children and a lively entertainment in the sea. Sea lion is a strong, curious, and intelligent marine mammal, whose roar is like a lion. They are excellent swimmers in the water and are also able to walk on land. Resting in groups on the beach, playing and befriending people make sea lion the lively star of the marine world. Walruses are large, slow-moving but extremely strong marine mammals, with long, tusked teeth that make them unique. They live in the cold Arctic regions, resting on ice and swimming in the water to feed on fish. Their thick skin, rumbling roars, and social behavior make them great heroes of the ice world. Sharks are the ocean's fiercest and most mysterious predators, with their sharp teeth, fast speed, and keen senses making them the ultimate deep-sea warriors. Sharks come in many shapes and sizes, some large, some small and fast. They have been the apex predators of the ocean for thousands of years, thrilling and awe-inspiring to viewers. Octopus is a surprisingly intelligent creature of the sea, with 8 powerful legs and a flexible body that performs excellent tricks. Changing colors, shrinking into hiding, and moving quickly through the web make octopus mysterious, lively, and extraordinarily adaptable. It is a silent magician of the sea that fascinates everyone. Jellyfish is a soft, transparent, and mysterious sea creature, whose body shimmers like jelly and dances with the waves. It prevents its prey from escaping with a poisonous touch, and lives in solitude in the depths of the sea for thousands of years. The soft, luminous body of jellyfish is like a magical light in the deep sea. Crab is a small but powerful animal of the sea in coastal areas, with its hard shell and webbed feet that allow it to run fast. The 2 spiny arms are very useful for hunting and self-defense. Crabs move around on the sand, which creates an interesting and fascinating sight for the audience. The lobster is a powerful and mysterious creature of the deep sea, whose large, knife-like claws make it an excellent hunter and defender. Its hard shell, reddish color, and habit of hiding in caves make the lobster a silent warrior of the deep, a symbol of the royal splendor of the sea.
Seahorses are small, gentle, and magical creatures that look like fairy tale horses. They cling to plants with their tails, and the male seahorse carries the eggs, a rare wonder of nature. This slow-moving creature is like a silent, charming fairy horse of the sea.
Seahorses are small, gentle, and magical creatures that look like fairy tale horses. They cling to plants with their tails, and the male seahorse carries the eggs, a rare wonder of nature. This slow-moving creature is like a silent, charming fairy horse of the sea. Slugs are soft-bodied, slow-moving creatures without shells that move silently over soil and leaves with their soft, slippery bodies. Although they look ordinary, their role in nature is important. They break down decaying organic matter and enrich the soil. Slugs are like silent workers in nature. Frog, a small but agile creature, whose hopping and bang bang call add a unique melody to the rainy season. They swim in water, hop on land, and observe their surroundings with their big eyes. These amphibians are important in maintaining the balance of the environment, like nature's living messengers. Salamanders are mysterious amphibians with long bodies, soft skin, and tails, looking like a cross between a lizard and a lizard. They usually live in humid forests and near water. The amazing ability to shed their tails and escape makes salamanders a silent yet amazing adaptator of nature. Crocodiles are fearsome and powerful reptiles that rule rivers, lakes, and swamps. Their long bodies, thick skin, and sharp teeth are excellent for catching prey. Their ability to swim silently in the water and then pounce suddenly to catch prey makes them nature's most accurate and fearsome predators. The alligator is a powerful and patient aquatic predator, which looks a lot like a crocodile, but its mouth is wider and U-shaped. It floats silently in calm water, looking for an opportunity to catch its prey. The alligator's cold gaze, strong teeth, and sudden attacks make it the silent yet fearsome king of the swamps. The turtle is a slow, long-lived, and calm mammal reptile whose hard shell provides protection. Equally skilled in water and land, the turtle hides inside its shell for self-defense. For thousands of years, the turtle has been a symbol of patience, wisdom, and permanence, a living legend of nature. Tortoise is a slow-moving, long-lived reptile whose thick, domed shell provides excellent protection. It walks slowly, eats grass, and can live for hundreds of years. A symbol of patience, peace, and stability, the tortoise is a silent, wise traveler of nature. Lizard is an agile and adaptable reptile that moves effortlessly on walls, trees, or the ground. Its long tail, sharp eyesight, and quick movements make it a small but effective predator. Lizards of various colors and shapes are a small sample of the diversity and wonder of nature. Snake is a mysterious, silent, and agile reptile, whose long, limbless body and sharp eyes are very effective in catching prey. Some are poisonous, some are harmless, yet all have a silent alertness in their movements. Snake is an ancient symbol of nature, which simultaneously inspires fear, respect, and curiosity. Eagle is the king of the sky, a fierce bird of prey with sharp eyesight and huge wings. Soaring in the sky, detecting prey from afar and pouncing with lightning speed make it fearless and majestic. A symbol of strength, courage, and freedom, eagle is a proud warrior of nature. Hawk is a fast, sharp-eyed, and precise hunter. It is a flying bird with incredible wing flapping and vision. It circles the sky looking for prey, then descends like thunder. Its speed, silent attack, and concentration make hawk the silent hunter of the sky and nature's perfect marksman. Owl is a silent hunter of the night, whose large eyes can see clearly even in the dark. It flies without flapping its wings, patiently waiting for its prey. A symbol of wisdom, mystery, and solitude, owl is a brilliant and serious traveler of nature, who keeps his eyes open even in the darkest night in alertness. The falcon is the world's fastest bird of prey, with its keen eyesight and lightning-fast leaps making it the perfect carrier of the skies. When it spots prey, it soars through the air and swoops down at a speed faster than sound. The falcon symbolizes courage, precision, and intelligence, a reflection of the free-thinking and indomitable spirit of the sky. The vulture is nature's cleaner, keeping the environment clean by eating dead animals. Its broad wings, sharp beak, and strong endurance make it a reliable scavenger of deserts and mountainous regions. The vulture seeks life even in the midst of death, a silent and indispensable hero in maintaining the balance of nature. Parrot is a colorful, vocally imitative, and social bird that easily wins people's hearts. Dressed in green, red, or blue feathers and with a sweet voice, they are popular both at home and in the forest. Symbol of intelligence, joy, and vitality, parrot seems to be a cheerful and colorful friend of nature. Penguins are small but brave seabirds of the cold polar regions, which walk slowly on land and are fast swimmers in the water. Their black and white color is like a little prince in a tuxedo. Penguins live in groups, believing in love and unity, which is a wonderful symbol of nature's silent courage and brotherhood. Flamingo is a beautiful aquatic bird with long legs, bright pink color, which stands on one leg in a flock in a pond. Their colorful feathers and elegant dance fascinate the audience. Flamingo is a living color of nature, a symbol of beauty and elegance. Peacock is a beautiful bird adorned with brilliant blue-green feathers, whose elaborate tail is a symbol of love and pride. The male peacock displays his beautiful feathers in a graceful dance that captivates all who see. The peacock's glorious colors and ruffled feathers are a living work of art of nature. Swan is a symbol of gentleness, elegance, and purity, its white feathers creating a wonderful beauty as they float on the water. The long neck and peaceful gait make swan a living reflection of love, grace, and impeccable beauty. A silent poem of nature, swan captivates every scenic scene. Ducks are lively, aquatic, and social birds, with wide beaks and webbed feet that make them adept at swimming in water. They roam in flocks, play, and make their surroundings buzz with the sound of quack quack. Ducks' simplicity, childlike mannerisms, and aquatic dances are a playful delight of nature. Chicken is a familiar, hardworking, and social domestic bird, which is widely known for its eggs and meat. From crowing, to guarding its chicks and digging for food, all in all, the life of the chicken is simple but vibrant. It is an important part of human life, food, culture, and rural life. And there you have it, 100 incredible animals that call the rainforest home. From sky to soil, farm to fin, the rainforest is bursting with life, color, and survival stories that blow the mind. But this treasure trove is under threat. Deforestation, climate change, and illegal wildlife trade are pushing many of these creatures toward extinction. It's up to all of us to spread awareness, support conservation, and appreciate the wild before it's too late. If you found this video fascinating, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment about your favorite rainforest animal. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of our natural world.